I think this might be the final episode of this series. I'm not going to visit any apartment today. I think I made up my mind. I chose this one. I know it's a little bit more expensive than the other ones, but it kind of makes the other one look like shit. I don't know. I like it, and I think it'll be simple to just deal with this company, very straightforward. So right now I'm gonna go meet the guy from the company, and if everything goes well, I should be signing my contract tonight and moving in tomorrow. Woo. Let's see what happens. I must admit that the situation makes me a little bit nervous, a little bit stressed, because it's a lot of money to pay at once. I think it's about 19,000 yuan or something like that. So yeah, it's a lot of money to pay at once. For me anyways. But I guess that's what I have to do to get this apartment, so. So I'm gonna go check the apartment one last time before signing my name on this paper. This expensive piece of paper. And this way I'll make sure that I actually really like it. Because now they sent the whole team to help me. There's 3 people there and there's Mr. here. I'm surrounded. I can't run away. I have to sign this contract. There are too many, especially her. She looks dangerous. Oh, okay. I just realized I'm on the 14th floor, which is really bad luck in China. 1-4 in Chinese sounds like Yao Si. Yao is like want, and Si also means die. So 1-4 can also sound like wanting to die. Do I really want to live here? I don't know. All right, I got my feet protected. Let's go back inside. Ooh, still looks good. One thing I forgot to do the last time is to check the hot water and the water pressure. Let's do this. "60 degrees Celsius. Almost burned my fingers. Really hot. Pressure's good. So apparently the whole process of signing this contract goes through an app. And apparently like everything's gonna happen through there. I'm gonna pay my rent there. I'm gonna pay my utility bills and whatever. So yeah, it didn't quite go as planned. I didn't sign the lease. I don't know, I had a moment of hesitation, and this company was asking me to download this app, install it on my phone, and upload a picture of my visa, a picture of my passport, a picture of my face, and a picture of a proof of employment of some kind. And I don't know, it made me feel really uncomfortable. I felt like it was overkill for just an apartment. I felt like I was signing my soul to the devil, you know? Like, I'm used to be kind of free spirit, and I'm always a bit uncomfortable, like disclosing all kinds of official documents to private companies, especially even here in China, where I feel like everything is being monitored and checked. So I don't know, I kind of panicked, and by the time I was ready to make up my mind, the guy on the other end receiving the documents and approving the application finished his working day. So it was impossible to complete the application. So I guess I'm gonna sleep on it and make up my mind tomorrow morning, like now. All right, so I slept on it, I thought about it, and I realized that maybe I overreacted, panicked, or got caught by paranoia last night. I mean, back home, if you apply for an apartment with a company,
they will do a credit check. So they'll ask you for your social insurance number and your ID and whatever, and they'll check up everything about you to make sure they can rent the apartment. So that's pretty much the same thing here. And also, as you live in China, you're pretty much being watched all the time. Like, I mean, they monitor your activity on WeChat. They can see where you are, what you do with your visa. You're using your passport everywhere. So it's not like giving this information to this rental company will actually compromise my privacy more than it already is. So I don't know. The apartment is nice, so I just decided to go for it. So yeah, I got my luggage with me, and I'm gonna go sign the contract and move in right away. Taking the subway with heavy luggage really is a pain in the butt. Did I tell you that taking a metro with heavy luggage is a pain in the ass? Real pain. The Ziroom guy is really nice, came to help me with my luggage. Alright, one more time. Okay, now let's do it. It's done. I just signed the lease. So this place is mine for the next year. But I just paid 4 months of rent plus the service fees. So right now, I'm really broke. I thought I would show you around the apartment, but I think I did already more than once. And I'm hungry as fuck. So I'm gonna go eat and let you stare at my living room or click on some buttons. Catch you later.